Hello, Forex for Beginners Training Academy family. Yes, Osayomolu Lucky from Nigeria. I want to start off by stating how Forex journey has been before meeting, say, this site and the, the one that puts this course together for Forex traders to get to master that to know how to trade effectively and to be profitable in your trade. How I started before I got to contact was really tough. I had to go through a lot of random courses, uh, took some trades that went in lost in the process. I blew a lot of accounts and all that. So one thing that kept me going was the fact that I never gave up. It's looking for the solution, not majorly because uh, I was very strong, but because of those money because I really want to find the solution to recovering all of that. That led to a lot of research. I got to know about some top forest traders in my country, Nigeria. Now they are so profitable in the business. Now, something kept telling me that these guys, they have a secret and it must have been from a source. So I started looking for a source where they got those secrets. But most of them won't tell you where the secret from. Uh, until one wonderful day I met a friend. I met him at a forest seminar, and the friend was willing to share his secret. I saw him working on the chart, and he was placing a trade, kept on placing more trades, and was like hitting profits all the time. I was like, how do you do this? So the guy was trying not to reveal the secret, but I kept on persisting, and you could see that the guy was now being forced to. And I said, okay, I will share the secret. So that's why he gave me the link to Forex for Beginners Training Academy. And he told me that the only time I will have to communicate with him again is if I take this course seriously. So there, I took the link, started the course. I was so happy with the information because from the first video done by Said Ali, the convener of the boss there, it was giving me this. There was this spirit in me that was telling me that I have finally succeeded in this business because it was like teaching me this thing as if it was uh, at kindergarten level, and the thing could sink without stress. I was not looking at it. Is it the same progress that be giving me tough time? Especially the chart. I've seen the chart as something that probably is not possible to even learn or master. But starting with the way Saad Ali was hitting it, I was just wow. I was like, so it's possible to understand the charts in this format and without stress, know and fall in love with the chart. I kept on taking the course. I'll go through it over and over again. And where I started getting the high excitement was when I got to, I think before the support and resistance level, when I got to the to with market structure, I was like, so this structure can be this simple to understand. I could understand how to uh, know when the trend is uptrend and when it's downtrend. Those basic secrets and understanding those things. Uh, higher high, higher low for the uptrend, lower high, lower low for the downtrend. I was like, so this thing, so it was just so awesome. And to even make it more interesting was being given access to the Facebook group. I had to join the Facebook group Forex for beginners training academy Facebook group. And in that group, I submitted a couple of assignments, and so far the feedback I get have been awesome. It's like you being in the same room, and you get this, the communication is so swift, and the response it's responded to. Uh, Most of the time, I say the words said and you responding, and I also say Monday also responding. So this process has been so, so awesome to me. That even pushed me to now start telling so my friends, I'm like, guys, if you don't take this course, you don't ever talk to me. So I was just like making it compulsory for all my friends. That I want everybody to succeed in this forex business, and I was able to know even the support and resistance level. That's also good. Join the support and resistance was just so awesome. Especially the way it was explained, and I could know that you could trace support and resistance from different levels, and marking it, I thought is just a way to see a pattern. It was when I now took this course, I now knew that it's beyond just a pattern, but you have to get detecting profit, the top and the bottom touch to be able to identify this support and resistance level. So I was so trained, and till now I'm still wondering how one or someone could teach forex this uh, at this level, so simple and easy for everyone to comprehend. So I want to use this uh, the Fibonacci retracement and other aspects are another big surprise to me. In fact, every part of the training going through the video is just so awesome. At some point, I was just saying, if I can even recommend this to school, yeah, in fact, without to go into fanatic, I just scrap all that courses and just focus on this. So it was that awesome because this is something that is not seen all the time. This is something that is rare. And I want to use this medium to really appreciate as Ali for bringing this those persons that could not pay uh, $200, $400, $500 for courses online. There are a lot of courses online that will not even teach you like this, that will not even give you this detail. You can see the way points are being repeated, and those are key skills teaching anyone something so important as forex. And this is why so many people see forex as something that is uh, too big to understand, because other teachers, other trainers, they don't use these skills. And I see side using these skills all the time. And this is really helping in understanding this. Before now, I was that forex market that looks so hard. It's making it so easy and so simple for everyone to understand. There are a lot of things I will love to say, but because of the fact that I don't really know how to really express my excitement and my joy, that now I could see the chart and I would just be happy with seeing chart. Before now, I was seeing the chart as something that is not possible to understand, but now I could see the chart. And the other day I was on one of my group, I just screenshotted a particular uh, chart for a particular crypto currency token, and I put it on the platform. I was just explaining certain things. So when people saw it, they saw the way I explained it, like if it could break this resistance level, then it should be heading up to $10. After then, maybe a little retracement, and then it takes an impulse move, and the rest is history. So when people saw the way I was just analyzing so they were just looking at me. I know a lot of people don't understand, but this is the same person that few weeks ago, or yes, few weeks ago, less than 2 months ago, saying it, I felt like it's not possible to understand. So it's a whole lot that we would love to have said, but I want to really appreciate forever grateful. I'll keep on doing my best to see both myself and people around me are so profitable for this business. Thank you for this course. Thank you for the opportunity.